Welcome back to our deep dive into the business finance world of 2026. Today, we are focusing on one of the most effective tools for brand new entrepreneurs and small business owners who are starting with a blank slate. If you have no credit history or if you are looking to separate your personal and business finances for the very first time, you are in the right place. Getting a traditional business credit card can be incredibly difficult when you do not have a track record of revenue or a high personal credit score. However, secured business credit cards have become the secret weapon for thousands of successful startups this year. In this exhaustive 10-minute video, we are counting down the top 5 secured business credit cards for 2026 that require little to no credit history. We will look at their features, their reward structures, and the specific reasons why they are the best options for building a solid foundation for your company. Before we get into the list, it is important to understand exactly how a secured card works and why it is different from a regular card. A secured card requires a cash deposit that usually acts as your credit limit. This might seem counterintuitive at first, but it is actually a powerful way to prove to banks that you are a reliable borrower. In 2026, many of these cards have added new features, like AI-driven reporting and integrated expense management, which makes them much more than just a simple line of credit. Starting our list, at number 5, we have the Wells Fargo Business Secured Credit Card. This card remains a staple in the industry because it offers a wide range for your security deposit and excellent integration with existing Wells Fargo business accounts. You can provide a deposit anywhere from $500 all the way up to $25,000 depending on your business needs. The beauty of this card in 2026 is its transparency. Wells Fargo reports your activity to the major business credit bureaus, which is exactly what you need to build your business credit score from zero. The application process is straightforward, and if you already have a checking account with them, the approval is nearly instantaneous because they can verify your identity and business structure through their existing data. While the rewards are modest compared to some others on this list, the reliability and the reputation of Wells Fargo make this a perfect entry point for someone who wants a traditional banking relationship. Moving to number 4. On our list, we have the First National Bank of Omaha Business Edition Secured MasterCard, often referred to as FNBO. This bank has been a favorite for business builders for years because of its lower barrier to entry and flexible terms. In 2026, they have updated their card to include better travel protections and no annual fee for the first year, which is a great bonus for new businesses trying to save every penny. You can request a credit limit between $2,000 and $10,000 by providing the matching deposit. What makes FNBO stand out is that they allow you to earn interest on your security deposit in some cases, which means your money is not just sitting idle while it secures your credit line. They also provide a simple online dashboard that helps you track your employee spending if you decide to issue additional cards, which is a feature usually reserved for high-end corporate accounts. This card is excellent for the entrepreneur who wants a solid, functional tool without any of the fluff. At number 3, we have the Bank of America Business Advantage Unlimited Cash Rewards Secured Card. This is arguably the most rewarding card on our list for 2026 because it offers a flat 1.5% cash back on all your purchases with no limit. Most secured cards do not offer rewards this high, or they limit them to specific categories like gas or office supplies. Bank of America has designed this card specifically for those who are in the building phase but still want to earn as they spend. The minimum deposit is $1,000, and the bank will automatically review your account starting at the 6-month mark to see if you qualify to graduate to an unsecured version. If you graduate, you get your deposit back while keeping the same account and credit history, which is the ultimate goal for any secured card holder. This card is perfect for someone who plans to use their card frequently for everyday business expenses and wants to see a return on that spending from day one. Coming in at number 2 is the NAV Prime card, which has completely redefined what it means to build credit in 2026. Technically, NAV is a fintech platform and their card functions as a charge card that reports as a trade line to all 3 major business credit bureaus. The reason this is so high on our list is that it requires no personal credit check and no security deposit in the traditional sense. Instead, you pay a monthly membership fee that covers your credit monitoring and your access to the card. Because it reports your membership payments and your spending as 2 separate trade lines, it can double the speed at which you build your business credit profile for a brand new look with 0 history. This is often the fastest path to getting a high score because it removes the traditional gatekeepers of the banking world. In 2026, NAV has also integrated a business coaching feature that tells you exactly what steps to take next to qualify for higher limits elsewhere, making it a complete ecosystem for growth. Finally, at number 1 for 2026, we have the Valley Bank Business Secured Visa Card. While Valley Bank might be a regional player, their secured business offering has become a national favorite due to its incredibly high approval rates for brand new businesses. They have one of the most user-friendly digital application processes we have seen this year, and they are very lenient with businesses in industries that other banks might consider high risk. The card offers competitive interest rates and a clear path to graduation, just like the Bank of America option. What really puts Valley Bank at the top is their customer service and their willingness to work with entrepreneurs who have unique financial situations. They provide detailed reporting to all bureaus, and their cards are compatible with all major mobile wallets like Apple Pay and Google Pay from the moment you are approved. For the entrepreneur who wants a card that works everywhere and helps them build a professional reputation, this is the clear winner for 2026. Now that we have covered the top 5, we need to talk about the strategy for using these cards effectively, because having the card is only half the battle. To maximize the benefit, you should aim to keep your credit utilization below 30% of your limit at all times. Even though you are the one who provided the deposit, the bureaus still look at how much of your available credit you are using every month. Another critical tip for 2026 is to ensure your business is properly set up as a legal entity before you apply. This means having your law registered and obtaining your IN from the RRS and setting up a professional business phone number and address. Many of the automated approval systems used by banks today will cross-reference your application with public records, and any inconsistency can lead to a rejection, even for a secured card. By taking these small steps, you are signaling to the lenders that you are a serious and legitimate business owner. Another thing to keep in mind